Good morning, one and all. Welcome to Adarsh Institute for Excellence in Education. As today is a National Mathematics Day, I would like to wish you all happy National Mathematics Day. So we know that we celebrate National Mathematics Day on the occasion of the birthday of Srinivas Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity. As a math faculty, today I want to discuss about Srinivas Ramanujan, the greatest Indian mathematician. And before going to that, let me tell you about mathematics in my own view. So, in mathematics, everyone, whenever you do mathematics, whenever you solve a math problem, you should have complete idea on concept. So, how to learn the concept is also important. Whenever you see a word in mathematics, it must be well defined unless it is undefinable. Whenever sees a fact in mathematics, must be proved unless an axiom or definition. There are some certain things which nobody can define, even God. Example, point, space, so on. They are just we cannot define them. We only know them. Exa- Except for those undefinables, every other word must be defined before it is used. Every fact, if it is not axiom or definition, if it is not axiom or definition, must be proved only then used. So we know that what is axiom? Axiom is a truth which is recognized as self-evident. So whenever you do math, you should follow some set conditions, some rules. Many times we commit a mistake of proving facts, not realizing that they are actually definitions. For example, proving a power 0 is 1, 0 factorial equals to 1. These two are definitions only. They are not statements to prove. They are definition. So, in mathematics, we should learn the concept and then we should apply the concept. This is most important. Application of the concept is very important in mathematics. So if you want to do good mathematics, you should have a complete knowledge on concept and how to apply the concept, and you should know how to combine the concepts from one topic to other topic. So whenever see a competitive problem, definitely there will be use of multiple concepts. So whenever you study mathematics, whenever you learn mathematics, you should learn with more clarity from the definition to higher applications. So, as we know that the great Srinivas Ramanujan, he is hailed as all-time great mathematician like Euler, Gauss, so on, for his natural genius. He left behind 4,000 original theorems despite his lack of formal education and a very short lifespan. So today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day because of his natural genius. So at the same time, he is a child prodigy. He learned college level mathematics by age 11 and generated his own theorems in number theory and Bernoulli numbers by age 13 itself. So while he got the book called Synopsis, while he was studying in the school. In that book, almost 4,000 formulae in algebra, trigonometry, analytical geometry, and calculus. Ramanujan not only proved for himself and each of these formulae, but also derived many new results and recorded them. After high school, Ramanujan passed a competitive examination in English and math and secured a scholarship. He joined FA in government college at the age of 18. Due to his love towards mathematics, he could not pass in English and Sanskrit, hence, he was not promoted to the senior FA. Then he lost his scholarship and forced to discontinue his studies due to his poor economical background, though his love towards math continued. Then, with the help of some mathematician at the time, Ramanujan secured a clerical post in the accounts section of the Madras Port Trust at the age of 24. Meanwhile, in 1911, at an age of 23 years, the first full-length 15-page research paper of Ramanujan entitled Some Properties of Bernoulli Numbers appeared in the Journal of Indian Mathematical Society. From there on, though he is working as a clerk, but his love towards mathematics not ended. He is still continuing to make many continue to continued in research in mathematics. After some time, he communicated the sum derived results to Hardy, the greatest mathematician at the time, through a letter, who, after getting convinced that Ramanujan is a natural genius, and pursued a university authorities to invite him to Cambridge. So at Cambridge, due to the invitation, as the invitation got from Hardy, Ramanujan, though he refused to go at the start, at the end he reached Bank, England. At Cambridge, Ramanujan worked with Littlewood, Hardy, and the mathematicians of that at that time. He was awarded the BA degree by research, later renamed as PhD, in the year 1916 at the age of 28 for his work on highly composite numbers. He was elected as Fellow of the Royal Society of London in the February 1918 at the age of 30 years. He was the youngest in the history of Royal Society. He was the first Indian to be elected as Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. He recorded the bulk of his results in four notebooks. Of first three books contained his work before leaving for England. Those three notebooks were published by Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, Mumbai. Fourth notebook with 87 unrecognized pages, the so-called Lost Notebook, was sent to Hardy by his wife after his death. The notebook remained untraced nearly for 40 years. So, Hardy about Ramanujan is, suppose if we rate mathematicians on the basis of pure talent on a scale from 0 to 100, Hardy gave himself a score of 25, a Littlewood, a mathematician, given 30, Hilbert given 80 out of 100, whereas for Ramanujan he given 100. So that is the impact he created during his short lifespan. His his interest on mathematics is uh, more when compared to others. So even now the results what he has given yet to be proved. There are many results which he given already. Some of the results recently got proved, but still there are many results yet to proved, but nobody disproved them. That is the greatness of greatest Srinivas Ramanujan. So There are some mathematicians has given some statements regarding mathematics. They are sometimes, as we starting we discussed, the essence of math is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. Mathematics is a game played according to certain simple rules with meaningless marks on paper. Without math, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is math. Everything around you is numbers. Math is the most beautiful and the most powerful creation of the human spirit. There should be no such thing as boring math. There should be no such thing as boring math. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about only understanding. Mathematics may not teach us to add, love, or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Whenever there is a number, there is a beauty. So, if you are doing well at mathematics, automatically the rest of the subjects you can do better. So, once again, I'm wishing you happy National Mathematics Day. Thank you all. Bye.